What is Bloktopia and what it has to do with Metaverse? Hello and welcome back to the world of crypto decoders. Our video on what Bloktopia is will be extended today to include information on how to make money from it. Bloktopia, as mentioned in the last video, is a virtual reality skyscraper with 21 stories in celebration of the 21 million bitcoins that have been mined. It's the virtual reality Metaverse, which intends to be the edutainment center for crypto fans of all levels and expertise. And they have the most successful IDO in 2021 based on the coin market cap. For those who are unfamiliar with IDO, it is a platform for financing for any new project established on a decentralized exchange platform utilizing coins or tokens. Bloktopia, in addition to providing both fundamental and advanced education, allows its audience to earn money by participating in games with their friends and building networks. Furthermore, Bloktopia, the world's most powerful real-time video game engine, which is powered by the 3D creation engine, will make use of the infrastructure to develop amazing representations of the user experience. Anyone who wants to make money on Bloktopia must first understand how it operates. Bloktopia is built on 4 pillars, and we're going to explain each of them. First and foremost, Bloktopia will act as a central hub for anyone interested in learning more about the cryptocurrency industry. And there's a second pillar or foundation, which is to earn money. Users of Bloktopia can earn money by acquiring virtual real estate and even speculating on it and then selling or renting it for a profit. Additionally, they can generate revenue from a passive source. Users can relax, have fun, mingle, and compete with other users in the interactive virtual reality environment while seeing it from the first-person viewpoint. Users can use a basic builder to create landscapes and works of art, and they can also participate in events to gain points towards prizes. In the Bloktopia metaverse, those who own block tokens are referred to as Bloktopians. Bloktopians will be able to buy products from the Bloktopia marketplace using a non-fungible token (NFT) mechanism, and they will be able to learn and play while earning income from the real estate ownership or advertising revenue. The marketplace will have products that can be used to decorate both real estate and avatars. Furthermore, they have said on their website that Bloktopia real estate will be auctioned in an 8-part sale, with the first phase has already begun. And all block tokens used for the purchase of block real estate will also be publicly locked, hence decreasing the total amount of block tokens available for circulation. The block token is required to participate in the Bloktopia metaverse. Without it, you will not be able to earn anything. Additionally, holders of block tokens can purchase NFTs that reflect ownership in Reblock and Adblock. Firstly, Reblock is the term used by Bloktopia to describe the process of acquiring real estate. Investing in virtual real estate assets, which can be obtained through the use of a non-fungible token (NFT) method, will enable investors to own 2 kinds of property. When a piece of the block property is held by a single NFT, this is known as exclusive ownership. Joint ownership refers to a piece of block property that is owned by a number of different NFTs. Residents of Bloktopia can also use reblocks to generate passive revenue by renting them out for special events or to long-term renters. A block gives its owner the ability to design and modify their reblock using the platform's software development kit, allowing them to differentiate themselves from the competition. Another significant benefit of reblocks is that they can be offered on the Bloktopia marketplace in either their developed or underdeveloped state, providing sellers with more freedom and buyers with a wider range of alternatives. Furthermore, since Bloktopia operates on a governance model, holders of Reblock NFT will have the opportunity to serve on the platform's governing board. The platform hopes that cryptographic initiatives and businesses will see the substantial worth of their platform in the near future and will begin purchasing and leasing reblocks shortly afterwards. Adblocks are virtual boards where advertisers can place their ads and where owners can earn revenue. User purchase token space on Bloktopia is available in 2 sizes: big 21 large totems and small 84 tiny totems. Users can buy up to half of the totem space to help them generate revenue through ad placement. 50% of the advertising income earned by this half of the company will be transferred to NFT holders, allowing them to develop a supplementary revenue stream. So advertising money for Bloktopia is produced through the AdBlock program. Bloktopia brand partners can benefit from increased exposure through dwell time and playthrough rate, which is a terrific opportunity for advertising. Placing advertising in the Bloktopia Metaverse is not very different from placing an advertisement in the real world. Advertisements can be displayed on virtual billboards and displays, and they can even be beamed into the radio for everyone to hear in Bloktopia. The most effective advertising mediums in Bloktopia are four, as per the trailer of Bloktopia. As seen in the trailer of the video, the Bloktopia Tower will include dedicated places for big billboards on its outside, providing advertisers with a premium location from which their advertisements can be viewed clearly and easily. The Metaverse has a Bloktopia radio station, where, just like a real radio station, beams important messages for citizens 24/7. Bloktopians have complete control over the radio, and they may turn it on and off anytime they want. However, since this radio station broadcasts essential cryptographic information on a constant basis, it is recommended that platform users always listen to it. Furthermore, because of the large audience that can be reached by the platform's radio, it's an excellent medium for marketers to post their advertisements. To buy AdBlock and Reblock, Block is needed. So it will be better for you to know how to buy Block before saying goodbye to us. However, in contrast to other major cryptocurrencies, Block cannot be purchased with fiat money. However, you can easily purchase this coin by first purchasing Bitcoin, ETH, USTD, BNB, or any other major cryptocurrency from any large exchange, and then transferring to the exchange that offers to trade this coin. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process by using the Binance exchange as an example, because it is one of the largest crypto exchanges that accept fiat deposits. So once you've purchased Bitcoin, ETH, USTD, or BNB, then you'll need to move your cryptos to an altcoin exchange. Because Block is an altcoin, you must first move your coins to an exchange where Block can be traded. It is worth remembering that the most popular exchange for trading Block tokens is now KuCoin and FastSwap. So once you finish, then you'll need to make a BTC, Ethereum, USTD, or BNB deposit to the exchange from Binance, depending on the available market pairs after the deposit is confirmed. You may then purchase Block from the exchange. In summary, there are three methods to make money using Bloktopia at this time. The first is through the use of Block, which is exchanged on several exchanges and from which money can be earned by purchasing or selling the block. The second method is through Reblock, which is the purchase of a real estate in Bloktopia, which can subsequently be resold for higher prices or even rented out for passive income, as said before. The third method is through the use of AdBlock, which allows you to sell your Bloktopia advertising space or market your product to increase traffic.